Hello students, Sairam. Today we are going to verify triangle inequality theorem, which is basically based on sides of a triangle. And according to this theorem, the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So this is activity number 3. So before we start, I am going to tell you what are the materials I have used to do this activity. So these are the materials which I have used for this activity. Now here you can see I have used incense sticks. You know what is incense stick, and the coating of this incense sticks are removed. Here you can see the stick part I have used for the activity. Now in place of this you can use ice cream sticks also or broomsticks also. And with this I have used a pair of scissors to cut the sticks, then scale for measurement, then eraser, pencil, and then to stick the sticks I have used Fevicol, and then this is sketch pen. So these all are the materials I have used for this activity. Now let us start the activity. Now here children, you can see here this is set number 1. Here you can see this is set 1 of 5 centimeters, 7 centimeter and 11 centimeter. That means you have to draw line segment of 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 11 centimeter with the help of scale. And then with scissors, what you are going to do? You are going to cut stick which I have told you of this length. You can see here this is of 5 centimeter. Similarly, now here this one is of 7 centimeter. Now one more stick we will take of 11 centimeter. Now you can see this is of 11 centimeter. And now what we are going to do? We are going to make a triangle. We are going to form a triangle using this sides. So let us first take this. This will make the base of the triangle. Now this one we will keep it on this side at the end of this line segment, and this side we will keep it on the other end of the line segment, and then we will catch this corner properly and we are going to bring it down to see whether it forms a triangle or not. You can see here I am bringing it down. Now you can see it is forming a triangle. It is forming a triangle. Now I have stuck the sticks and I am going to show you when you stick this all, how does it look? Children, see here. You can see here it will look like this. You can see here this one is of 11 centimeter. This line segment is of 11 centimeter. This one is of 7 centimeter and this one is of 5 centimeter. So it is forming a triangle. Same way, using Fevicol, you will stick it in your MATLAB notebook and you will form a triangle of this length. Now we will go to the observation part. See here. First one we have taken this two sides. These two sides are taken 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is how much? It is 12. And 12 is greater than 11. So here the condition is fulfilled. Now we'll go to the next one. We'll take this 2. 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 is again greater than the third side. Now we will take this two side. 11 plus 7. 11 plus 7 is 18, which is again greater than the third side. So here you can see triangle can be formed. Now we will take the next set. This is set number 2. You can see here this is set number 2 of 5 centimeter line segment. This is of 7 and this is of 40. Now you will cut sticks of this length. You can see here this is of 5 centimeter and the next one is of 7 centimeter and the third one is of 14 centimeter. You can see here It measures same. Now using this sticks, we are going to form a triangle. We'll see whether it forms a triangle or not. So this will be the base, and this will keep it here on one side like this, and then this one on the other side. And then what you will do, you will catch the vertex and you're going to bring it down slowly like this. Wait, I'll just show you. Now slowly you will bring it down, and you will see whether you're forming a triangle. You can form a triangle or not. See here, it's not forming a triangle. I have stuck the sticks. I will show you how does it look. See children, it will look like this. You can see here. Here it is not forming a triangle. You can see this is of 5 centimeter, this side is of 14 centimeter, this side is of 7 centimeter. Now we'll see the observation part. We'll take this two side, 7 plus 14, 7 plus 14 is 21, which is greater than the third side. So here the condition is fulfilled. Then we'll go to the next two sides. Here 5 plus 14. If we take these two sides, we are getting here 19, which is again greater than the third side. So here also it is true. And then now we are going to take these two sides, 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 is how much? It is 12. And 12 is less than 14. So here the condition is not fulfilled, which means triangle cannot be formed. Now I will show you the next set. This is set number, children, you see this is set number 3. You can see here you will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 12 centimeter using scale. And then using scissors you are going to cut. You can see you can cut 5 centimeter lengths, and then you will take this 7 centimeter. You can see here this measures 7 centimeter, and then the third one, it is of 12 centimeter. You can see here it is forming 12 centimeter line segment. Now what I am going to do, I am going to form a triangle using this. Now let us see whether it forms a triangle or not. This will keep as a base. This will take it as one of the side. This we will keep it at the vertex here on the other side. Now what I am going to do, I am going to catch this and I am going to bring it down, and we'll see whether it forms a triangle or not. Slowly you have to bring it down. See, it's not forming. See, I have brought it till the end. Now you can see here children, they are equal. You can see here the sum of the two sides of the triangle is equal to it is equal. It should be greater. So here these two are equal to the third side. So it cannot form a triangle. Now I'll show you. I have stuck it. How does it look? I'll just show you. See children, here you can see now this way you will get a, see here it's not forming a triangle. This is the side 12 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter, this one is 7 centimeter. So it is not forming a triangle. Now we'll see the observation part. If you take this two side, 12 plus 7 is 19, which is greater than the third side. So here the condition is fulfilled. Now we will take this two sides, 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 is 17, which is again greater than the third side. So here these two conditions are true. Now we will take the third, this two side, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is how much? It is 12. So here also third side is 12. So here the condition is not fulfilled. So here what will happen? Triangle cannot be formed. Now what do we conclude from this activity? From this activity we have concluded this. Thus a triangle can only be formed when the sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. So hope you all have followed this activity, and what all you have to write down in your MATLAB notebook, that all I'll explain you in the presentation. Thank you. Triangle inequality theorem. This is activity number 3. Children, today we have done MATLAB activity from chapter number 6, triangles and its properties. And in that we have verified triangle inequality theorem. We have seen in any triangle the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Here this is a triangle, you can see. So we have seen A plus B is greater than C, then B plus C is greater than A, then A plus C is greater than B. All of this must be true. Then only a triangle will be formed. Now I'll tell you what you are going to write in your MATLAB notebook. First you will write aim. To verify the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And then you will write learning objectives. Knowledge of triangle and its elements or parts. Same way you are going to write. Then materials required. The materials which we have used today, we have used sets of incense sticks, or if you use broomsticks, you write broomsticks or ice cream sticks. Then Fevicol or any other adhesive, pair of scissors, scale. If you want, you can add pencil, eraser also. Then first you are going to draw a line segment of 5 cm, 7 cm and 11 cm. You know that whenever you draw some figure, you draw it on the left page. So same method how we have done in 6th standard, here also we will do the same thing. You are going to draw the figure first, this figure on left page. And then this is set 1, 5 cm, 7 cm, 11 cm. Similarly, set 2 was 5 cm, 7 cm, 14 cm. Then set 3 was 5 cm, 7 cm and 12 cm. So this all segments you can draw it on the left page. Here I would like to tell you only you can draw this one because it is forming a triangle. Only draw this 3 line segments. So no need to draw this. We will stick the triangle on left page. Now next is procedure. How we have done. So that all thing you have to write down in your notebook. Step 1. Take broomsticks or incense sticks of length 5 cm, 7 cm and 11 cm. Set 1. Figure A. Then step 2. Try to make a triangle using these sticks. So that all I have shown you in the activity. So you will write step 2 like this. And this way you will stick the sticks which you will use and you will form a triangle. So this you are going to stick it on left page. And then step 3, now take the other set of broomsticks and repeat steps 1 to 2. So figure C and figure T, that I'll show you next. And this is the observation. After that you will write observation. So for set 1 what we have observed, that all is written here. C figure B. So that figure B which we have shown, I have shown you just now. 5 plus 7. So there you are going to stick the sticks and you will show a triangle is formed. So here 5 plus 7 is greater than 11. Then 5 plus 11 is greater than 7. So here you will write 7 and then you will give a blank here. Then 7 you will fill in this blank. And then 7 plus 11 is greater than 5. So this also dash also you have to give below. Then triangle can be formed. As it is given, you are going to write in your MATLAB notebook. Here these are the two options. So here triangle can be formed. Now these are the two figures. Here with the help of stick you are going to stick it in your notebook. This is figure C where the triangles will not be formed. Now here you can see this is 14 centimeter. If you cannot stick it horizontally, you can take one page and you can stick it vertically. This segment you can stick like this and the other two sides will be in this way. So in one page what you do, on one page only you stick one figure, this one, and then on the next page you can take this one, because both you cannot be able to stick it on one page. This is figure D. This is 7 centimeter, then this side it is 5 centimeter, and the base is 12 centimeter. Now the observation part continue. For set 2, see figure C. Here 7 plus 14 is greater than 5. 5 plus 14 we have seen. So I am not explaining much because we have observed all this. 5 plus 14 is again greater than 7. And then 5 plus 7 we got 12, which is less than 14. So triangle cannot be formed. So as it is given, you are going to write down in your MATLAB notebook. And here these are the two options. So here triangle cannot be formed because here this is less than 14. Now next is for set 3. See figure D. 7 plus 12 is how much? You will just write like this. 7 plus 12 is greater than 5. Then 5 plus 12 is greater than 7. You will give a blank here. Then 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So this is all we have seen. Now triangle cannot be formed because here you can see 12 we got, here also 12. So they are equal. So triangle cannot be formed. From these two options you can write this. Thus a triangle can only be formed when sum of the length of the two sides is greater than the third side. And then we will write conclusion. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than its third side. And then you will write learning outcome. Students are able to verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side with the help of activity. So this way we are going to complete the activity. Thank you.